To prepare garlic pasta or garlic spaghetti, the things we require are 200 grams of boiled spaghetti, 2 medium-sized tomatoes chopped, 2 tablespoons of garlic chopped, 2 medium-sized onion chopped, 2 green chilies chopped, 2 tablespoons of green coriander leaves, 1 teaspoon of chili sauce, 1 teaspoon of black pepper powder, half a teaspoon of mixed Italian herbs, 2 tablespoons of processed cheese, salt according to taste, olive oil for preparing pasta. Hello friends, welcome to Shahi's Kitchen. Today I am making something very tasty. This is a simple Italian dish we used to eat during our school days, and I have prepared these boiled spaghetti with Del Monte spaghetti, and this is known as angel hair. Let us start doing it. Just like we boil noodles for Chinese, this is prepared with wheat, durum wheat, and I have boiled it for 7 minutes, drained out the water, run through little amount of cold water and added little bit of olive oil. This is olive oil, 1 to 2 tablespoons of olive oil, lots of garlic, these are 2 medium-sized chopped onions, green chilies, these are 2 medium-sized tomatoes, black pepper crushed according to your taste. If you like spicy, you can increase the taste. Some Italian herbs, mixed herbs, red chili sauce, and salt according to your taste. Mix all well. Add little bit of water. Now add some parsley. If you are non-vegetarian, you can eat meatballs to it, or you can also add some boiled soya chunks to it. But here I am making the plain version. I boiled some extra. I am going to keep them. Just use the amount you require and keep them in an airtight container in fridge. You can easily keep it. It's ready, or any cheese you have. So friends, here's my school days pasta is ready. Try out. This is simple one and you're going to love it. And please subscribe my channel to learn such recipes. Enjoy your cooking.